Facing the inefficiency of copying programs, manual copying is prone to error. Version modifications are difficult to trace back. Product batch risk high pain point. Are you deeply troubled? SIGER. It's SIG data based on the Internet of Devices. For the pain points of program management in the precision machining industry, human-machine collaboration solution provided, compatible with more than 99% of mainstream numerical control systems, helping precision machining enterprises achieve rapid success. DNC Program Management Platform Construction. Complete digital transformation. After the technician confirms the processing, technology and equipment, upload the local program file to the system on the PC side. Record and manage file versions simultaneously. You can also edit the program online and generate a new version for management. Effectively help enterprises create standard libraries efficiently. After the program file is uploaded, charity directors can review the process online. Avoid process management confusion, affecting production progress. The audited program exists in the library. The adjuster can conduct unified inquiry management. Get the program you want quickly and accurately. Modify programs at the same time. You can also compare online through the system. Avoid batch quality loss due to employee tampering. Every change in flow of numerical control program can be traced back to people. Based on device networking, the adjuster can be online. Send the program remotely to the specified device. Or delete remotely. No need to manually copy to each device. Saved a lot of waiting time for production. Scan the QR code of the public order while online. You can call the program very quickly. Avoid mistakes. DNC provides online processing function. Send the program to the MBC box for online processing. No need to occupy machine memory. Solve the small memory of the machine tool. The problem with large program files. No need to repeatedly plug and unplug with a U-disk CF card. Improve program preparation efficiency by counting the number of program cycles. Equipment output can be automatically counted. Production personnel only need to confirm at the endpoint of the line. You can complete one-click reporting. SIG DNC through a systematic management approach, helping companies optimize their process management. Avoid quality risks. Reduce administrative costs. Increase productivity. Simultaneous introduction of the DNC function. It can also provide a solid foundation for applications, such as MAP. For example, public order exposure is completed based on program acquisition. Program-based monitoring stimulate the public welfare coordination of various departments, helping enterprises move towards digital intelligence. Make precision machining production process worry-free with SIG DNC.